Hello everyone, I am Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to get KiKUU online shopping mall application in your device. So if you use Android phone, then go to Google Play Store. If you use iPhone, then go to App Store, then search KiKUU, then it's okay, and then you'll get this application like this. So you can see the rating of the app 4.1 out of 5 and 67k reviews. It means 67,000 people rate something about this app, and 39 megabyte size of the app, and 5 million plus people already download this app. So if you want to get offer or discount product, then this application is perfect for you and deal on high quality products. We will electronics, fashion, we sell electronics, fashion, beauty and more. So you'll get many product here. So what you need to do to get this application in your device, simply tap on the install button. So it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.